Hello everyone, welcome back in today's class. Dear students, we have discussed 5 questions of exercise 8.1 in the previous video. Today we are supposed to start with question number 6. Let us begin. Question number 6 says diagonal of a parallelogram, that is ABCD. We have a parallelogram AB and CD. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral having opposite sides parallel. This is A, B, C and D. This is the diagonal AC. AC is given. They said that this diagonal AC is dividing this angle into two equal parts. That means these two angles are equal. This angle and this angle are equal. This is given in the figure. What we have to prove? First, I have to prove AC bisects angle C also. First part. Second part, I have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Rhombus means indirectly they want us to prove all the sides of this parallelogram are equal. Okay, this is a parallelogram. Now AC bisects angle C also. Now dear student, just to see if this is a parallelogram, that DC side and AB side will be parallel. If these two sides will be parallel, then alternate interior angle will always be equal, because in case of parallelogram alternate interior angles are equal. Let me take, if this complete angle is of 60 degree, then this angle will be of 30 and this angle will be of 30 degree. Same, if I say that this is alternate interior angle, then this angle will be of 30 and this angle will be of 30. Then you may write, if you want to show the proof of this, you may write angle DCA is equal to angle you may write BC and A. Both angles are given, both angles are equal just because of alternate interior and angle. Both angles are equal, hence we can say that AC bisects angle A. बहुत simple था prove करना. Okay, just see ABCD is a rhombus. That means we want to prove that these adjacent sides are also equal. Okay, we have drawn another diagonal here. हमें क्या prove करना है? I just want to prove that DC is equal to BC. Okay, just see in triangle BCD, if these two sides, this is what I have to prove. Okay, these two sides, this angle is of 30 degree, this angle is of 30 degree. This is what we have to prove. We have proved, and this is common. This OC is common to both. And what we have to prove here, these two are equal. I have to show that these are equals. Now this student, we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means OB and OD will be equal. So this complete triangle and this complete triangle are congruent to each other. If they are congruent to each other, then our DC will be equal to our BC. So in triangle DCO and BCO, OC is equal to OC common. ठीक है. Angle DCO is equal to angle BCO alternate interior, because here may write, because AC bisects angle C. This is what we have proved in our first part. And OD will be equal to OB, because diagonal of a parallelogram, we may mention the reason, diagonals of a parallelogram bisects each other. Okay, then my DC will be equal to my BC by bicepticity. If I have proved that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, I may write DC is equal to BC. I have proved. It was given in the question that DC is equal to AB because it was parallelogram. ये आपको पहले ही बोला गया था कि opposite side तो equal होती हैं. आपने adjacent को भी equal कर दिया, मतलब ये इसके भी equal है और ये किसके equal है, इसके equal. और ये वाली side को आप किसके equal भी prove कर सकते हैं. You may write similarly we can prove AB is equal to AD. Hence ABCD will be a rhombus. ठीक है, हमने चारों साइड को इक्वल प्रूव कर दिया, तो हम बहुत इजीली लिख सकते हैं कि वो क्या होगा आपके पास, दैट विल बी अ rhombus. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move to next question of this exercise, that is question number 7. Question number 7 says ABCD is a rhombus. Already it is given कि वो आपके पास क्या है, एक rhombus है. थोड़ा इस तरीके से ले लेते हैं, मतलब स्क्वायर टाइप है ना. इट इज़ ए रोम्बस, बस उसके एंगल्स 90 डिग्री के नहीं होते. फाइन. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisects angle A. I have to show that it bisects angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. This is what I have to prove. Means what I have to prove, I have to show my this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle equals to this, and this is equal to this. For proving this angle equal to each other, what I will take, student, I will take these two triangles. It is a rhombus, that my AB is equal to AD. I will prove these two triangles congruent, and by CPCT I will show that my this angle is equal to this angle. Let both the diagonals are intersecting at O. So in triangles AOD and AOB, and triangle AOB, AO is equal to AO, common. Fine. Then AD is equal to AB because it is a rhombus. Okay. And the third one, student, we know that diagonal of a rhombus bisecting each other at 90 degree. You may take this one. Okay. You may take OD is equal to OB. Diagonals of a rhombus bisects each other at 90 degree. Okay, so by these three conditions we can show that my triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB. Okay, when two triangles are congruent, may I say that DAO angle is equal to BAO angle by CPCT. Same way, student, like I have proved this angle is equal to this. You have to prove now this angle is equal to this. Now you have to prove these two triangle congruent. Fine. If you want to see that whether this angle is equal to this, then you have to take these two triangles. If you want to prove that these two angles are equal, you have to take these two triangles, and in every case you have to prove the triangle congruent. Then you can say that these two angles are equal. So here I can write similarly, but आप prove करके दिखा देंगे. Similarly, angle ABO is equal to angle CBO, and angle BCO is equal to angle DCO, and angle ODA is equal to angle ODC. Okay, fine. That shows that all the angles are equal. Hence it is proved here that diagonals of a rhombus bisecting the angles in two equal parts. This is what the meaning of bisecting, two equal parts, or two equal angles. I hope this question also is clear for everyone. Let us see the next question of this. ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle means opposite side same, all angles are of 90 degree. This is a rectangle A, B, C and D. Here AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Show that ABCD is a square. I have to show that it is a square, and I have to show my BD diagonal bisects angle B as well as angle D. This is given that this angle is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, and this is what I have to prove. I have to show ABO to prove angle ABO is equal to angle CBO and angle ODC is equal to ODA. ODC is equal to OD and A. These two angles are also equal, and I have to prove, this is my first part to prove. Second part, ABCD is a square. Now just see student, if I take this triangle and this triangle, okay, ये वाली ट्रायंगल हम ले रहे हैं ABO और हम ट्रायंगल ले रहे हैं BOC. दिस इज कॉमन टू बोथ, यस. और ये दोनों एंगल आपको पता है, ये रेक्टेंगल के अंदर ये एंगल पूरा 90 डिग्री का होता है, तो ये भी एंगल 90 डिग्री का, ये 45 का होगा, ये भी 45 का होगा, ये भी 45 का, ये भी 45 का. देन दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, दो चीज़ें. एंड वी नो दैट कि रेक्टेंगल के जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे को 90 पे बाइसेक्ट करते हैं. दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 90, दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. Hence I have proved. So here I will start with proof. That is triangle ABO and triangle CBO. OB is equal to OB, common. Angle BAO is equal to angle BCO. Okay, I may write given, it is given to you. And next, angle ABO is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle BOC, because diagonals are bisecting at 90 degree in a rectangle. This is a property we should know, then only we can solve them. So we have proved that this triangle is congruent to this, hence AB will be equal to BC. और आप क्या प्रूव कर सकते हैं, ये एंगल ABO भी आपके पास किसके इक्वल आ गया, एंगल ABO इज इक्वल टू एंगल CBO. एक तो ये हमें प्रूव करना था, ABO इज इक्वल टू CBO. सिमिलरली आप ये वाला ट्रायंगल उठाएंगे, अब ये वाला, जैसे मैंने इन दोनों को प्रूव किया. नाउ यू विल टेक दिस एंड दिस ट्रायंगल. बाय दिस एंड दिस ट्रायंगल यू विल प्रूव दैट AD इज इक्वल टू DC. आपकी चारों साइड इक्वल आ जाएंगी और आपका एंगल ADO इज इक्वल टू CDO के इक्वल आ जाएगा. सिमिलरली, हैंस we can say that triangle that ABCD is a square. आप प्रूव करेंगे डिफरेंट ट्रायंगल्स को लेके कि चारों साइड आपके पास कैसी हैं, इक्वल है. आई होप these 3 questions are clear to you. Student, if you like the video, if you have understood the questions well, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. We will meet in our next video with the remaining question. Till then, goodbye and take care of yourself.